Hi guys, I'm currently in the hospital, but I have great news. I am about 6 weeks pregnant, and the baby's heart rate was only 83, so they're thinking it just started today probably. My ACG levels are in the 10,000, so I'm happy about that. Um, I've been going through it with this pregnancy, the symptoms go and come. It just really has me worried. And I said, regardless of what happens, whether I make it through with this baby or not, maybe I can help somebody and give them some information that they don't have in their time of need. So the last few weeks, I've been taking HCG levels every so often, and they've been coming back rising, but rising slowly. So I'm not sure if that has anything to do with why I get intermittent bleeding sometimes. I had bleeding earlier this week and bleeding today. That's why I'm here at the hospital. But I've had progress since the last time I came. The last time I came, there was nothing in my uterus, nothing in my um, tubes. So that was a positive. And that was when I was 4 weeks and 3 days. Um, Nothing was seen, not even a gestational sac. Here it is, a week a week and a day later, maybe, and I see a baby in a heartbeat. So I'm thinking the heart rate is low because it basically just started. They're measuring me at 5 weeks, 6 days. So it's still really early. So I'm gonna try my best not to worry. Easier said than done. I go in Wednesday of this week for another ultrasound, and I'm sure everything will be fine. I'm just going to keep my faith that everything's going to be great. Um, Thanks for watching. Wish me and pray for me that I have strong baby, sticky, a sticky baby. I've already had 3 miscarriages in the last 2 years, and I'm hoping this one takes. I'm really excited, whatever the journey brings. And hopefully at the end of the tunnel, it'll be a baby. Thanks.